Steps for replacing the diaphragm in a 1-inch metal pneumatic diaphragm pump. Step 1. Remove the upper and lower manifolds. Step 2. Disassemble one side chamber and take out the diaphragm. Step 3. Disassemble the other side chamber and remove the diaphragm. Step 4. Using 2 wrenches or a bench vise, detach the connecting rod and pressure plate, then replace the diaphragm. Step 5. Install the new diaphragm with the convex side facing outward to contact the liquid. During replacement, press the diaphragm firmly to prevent leakage. Step 6. Install the diaphragm and one side outer chamber. Pay attention to the orientation of the outer chamber. Step 7. Install the diaphragm and the other side chamber. Lift the connecting rod and fold the diaphragm for easier installation. Step 8. Secure the pressure plate. Fold the diaphragm and align the holes. Step 9. Reinstall the upper and lower manifolds. More videos and technical specifications, please visit GIENS. Thank you for watching.